U.S. home sales forecast at 4.51 million in 2026, up 9%. Mortgage rates expect to end 2026 near 6.15%. Median home prices projected to rise modestly by 0.9%. National inventory forecast to increase 10.9% year over year. National averages mask widening regional housing market differences.
More.